What's going on, guys? Here, Antonio here from Poppa Homes. Yeah, we out here about to buy another property here that we about to flip. But I want to do this quick little video and show you guys how to go about inspecting a roof. You need to know how to inspect the roof to say, hey, what type of roof is this? It's kind of crazy that some people don't even know what type of shingles they got on the roof. They don't know they're 2-tab, 3-tab, don't know about the flashings. I mean, just know absolutely nothing. But I want to give you guys a quick little rundown today of this roof here and how I was able to inspect the roof to know whether or not we got a good roof or not. And knowing whether or not you got a good roof or not can mean a total difference in spending $0 or spending tens of thousands of dollars.
Hey, if you want to be able to get up to a $10,000 check by using my free manual, show you how to get an assignment fee just by going out there, finding properties and bringing them over to us and allow us to buy them, I will tell you exactly where to go do it. So right here in the description over any video of mine, click on more and click on the link right there. Now you have your own copy of this book. How amazing is that? Get your free copy
So
today.
hey, when you look at this roof here, number one guys, it's architects. These are architect shingles here. They're architect shingles. These are some of the best shingles on the market. And number two, what you want to look at is right here. Those are flashing. Those are right there. That little strip there goes all the way around the house. Yeah, that helps with the drip edge. You gotta have flashing. So you ever think about flipping a house and you don't see flash on the house, then just know you're gonna have to probably invest in getting those put on. And they come in about 12 feet sheets of strips. And again, if you don't have them, your inspector is going to pretty much hit you with that. But when you look at this roof here, I mean, it looks good. Looks like it's in shape. You want to know how I know it's in perfect shape? I just got my inspection report back on this house, and it was pretty much nothing said about the roof. So I know that we got a great roof here. So definitely, guys, when you're looking at a house like this here, when you try to inspect your roof to say, hey, am I gonna have to buy a brand new roof? You know, if you don't see shingles popping up somewhere, if you don't see a big hump in your roof somewhere, then chances are you have a good roof that's gonna stand the test of time. I will say this here, ours are architects, and the roof over here, I don't know if we can get or not. We're gonna try. Those are 3-tabs. Okay, those are a little bit cheaper than architects, but they're still good roofs as well. So basically, guys, when you thinking about looking at your roof, whether or not you need to get a new roof done, then always remember to look at, do you got flashes and the condition the roof is in. And then you'll know whether or not, hey, man, I got to get a whole new roof, or do I just need to add flashes to my property? But it's something that you're gonna have to deal with. If you guys looking to flip houses, that's something that you're gonna have to deal with. You're gonna have to put flashes on your house or change those shingles out. And let me say this little tip here as well. Now, if you get someone to do your roof, you can sometimes go over those shingles with new shingles, but do me a favor, guys. When you flipping houses, do it the right way. Have your roofers take that old roof out, and if there's any other plywood that's rotting that needs to be changed, get those things changed out and do things the right way, guys. Because the next person who wants to buy the house is gonna get a inspection. If things are found that wasn't done right, you're gonna get hit with it, and you're gonna wish that you did the right things at first. So do me a favor, guys. Think about it. Let's subscribe here. Let's do what we got to do to move this channel up the rankings. Let's like, leave comments, do whatever you got to do to become the next best real estate investor in your market. But the only way you're gonna be able to do that, you gotta know how to evaluate a roof, guys. And roofs can pretty much take your lunch. So you gotta be able to evaluate it and come out and say, hey, do I really need a new roof, or can I let this slide? And do some here, I think we got very lucky. So hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and leave any comments. And you guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.